buy some new mattresses and new bedding. Trying to make use of Black Friday sales. Ja. Har du noe du skal si? Happy holidays! Today I thought I would take you along as I decorate our bedroom for Christmas. Yes, I decorate my bedroom for Christmas. We've been out buying new mattresses, duvets, pillows, and I can't wait to turn this into a Christmassy cave. First I have to do a bit of cleaning, so it's a kind of clean and decorate with me. It's a very small room, as some of you have already seen, so it's difficult to film, but I'm going to do my best. Well guys, that was the boring part. Now for the fun part. I have a clean bedroom and now I can make it cozy. and Christmassy. Okay guys, it's midnight and I'm all done. I think it turned out beautiful. I can't wait. It's midnight, so I can't wait to jump into bed. Have to take a shower and walk the dogs first. My husband is asleep on the couch, so I'm sure he's looking forward to also try out the bed. I will take it off the tripod and give you a close look. But before that, I want to say thank you so much for watching, and for all of you that left comments on my last video, my traditional Norwegian Christmas tree. I should learn by now that our traditions are so much alike, much more than I ever thought. So you knew about angel hair and the baskets and the chains, and you left so wonderful comments telling me about your traditions and how my video gave you lovely, or brought back lovely memories for you from your childhood's Christmases. So it was I was so happy. My house is a mess. It's total chaos. It's my first Christmas as a YouTuber, and I can understand why the other ladies start 1st of November. Yeah, but okay, I learn as I go, and I will bring you as much videos as I can, but it won't be a lot of decorate with me, because yeah, I will explain later, but it's difficult with this small house and so little storage to kind of decorate one room at a time. I take all my Christmas decor down and I decorate my whole house. So that will be better next year, but for this year I have to do it this way. So okay, have a wonderful weekend, and I'll pop out videos as fast as I can. Bye guys, and don't go, because I'm going to show you the finished bedroom. Okay guys, so this is the finished room. I'm so sorry about the lighting, but as I said, it's midnight, so it's dark. So as you can see, I have done the same as I did in my fall decor. I have bought 2 different kinds of bedding and mixed them. And there's some Christmas pillows, reindeer skin. I had some comment on the skins. I eat reindeer, and then I think it's you should use the whole animal, so we use the skin as well. I'm not a vegetarian, so yeah. Red woolen throw, and I made this little tray with these. I think these are so cute. These metal cups with so we can drink hot cocoa in bed. Not that we do, but we can pretend. And over the bed I've hung some stars. Let's see if we can get the camera to, no, I think it's too dark. Maybe if I go around here. Yeah. Like this, with a small bells on, and yeah. And on my husband's side of the bed, just a little greenery, and a small pick with some red berries. And over the bed, and as you see, I have these stars in the window. This is very traditional in Norway. I'm sure it is in many countries. I love this old metal gold stars in this shape. I think they give such a lovely light. Just hung a couple of garlands on the window, and of course I have my Christmas stocking up. I have to do something about the wreath. As I said, it's late, so I didn't have the energy to do more. Some small apothecary jars, one with some small deers, and this with this not so pretty Christmas tree. I can just turn off the lights, but just thought it was fun. And some green with some berries, and of course also in this window I have the star, and here this small Christmas tree I got on sale the end of last season. It's the same company, from the same company as the my new glittery flocked tree. I love that, with some, we call them dumpap. If I should translate that, that's stupid cardboard. I don't know. Dumpap, it's probably not, it doesn't mean that, but yeah. Just some red flowers and some greenery. So that's my bedroom. And I'm so excited for the new duvets and pillows and mattresses. Okay guys, I love you and leave you. Bye.
Around midnight, Way up high, there's an angel in the sky. The glitter and the shine, she must be divine. What a night, what a sight. Ring the bells loud and clear. Have the reindeers reappear. Take my hand, you promised land. Here we go. I have wished upon a star. I've sent my wishes far to get you in every way. I had given up hope when the snow started falling, but then I knew it was you.